Fusion Black Pro. The Fusion Black Pro muscle massage gun offers a comprehensive solution for athletes and individuals seeking effective pain relief, relaxation, and muscle therapy. Designed with precision, this deep tissue percussion muscle massager caters to a range of needs, from intense deep tissue massages on larger muscle groups like the back, legs, and arms, to gentler options for more sensitive areas such as the neck and head. Its versatile approach ensures that you can tailor your massage experience according to your preferences and specific muscle requirements. Eufy Smart Lock. The Eufy Security Video. Smart Lock S330 is a remarkable innovation that combines security and convenience in one compact package. With its 3-in-1 functionality, featuring a camera, doorbell, and fingerprint keyless entry, this door lock elevates home security to a new level. Meeting BHMA standards, it ensures durability and reliability, while boasting advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity and app remote control. The integrated 2K HD camera provides crystal-clear video monitoring, while the doorbell camera with Chime offers a comprehensive view of your doorstep. Basius Charging Station. The Basius Charging Station. 65 watts power combo simplifies your charging needs with its versatile features. This 6-in-1 power strip is equipped with a retractable USB-C cable, making it a convenient hub for all your devices. With 3 AC outlets, 1 USB-C port, and 1 USB-A port, it's a powerhouse for fast charging your MacBook Pro, iPhone, laptop, and more. Whether you're at home or in the office, this surge protector offers a smart solution to keep your devices charged and organized. With the Basius Charging Station, you can streamline your charging setup and ensure efficient charging for all your gadgets. Imitu Microphone. The Moyu RHK26. Portable microphone is a versatile tool designed to elevate your recording experience on iPhone and iPad devices. With its dual-track digital stereo condenser microphone, it ensures exceptional audio quality for your recordings. Offering a 180-degree rotatable design and 3 different modes, it allows you to capture sound from various directions, enhancing the flexibility of your recordings. The added feature of microphone sensitivity adjustment further refines your audio output, adapting to different recording environments. Whether you're podcasting, recording music, or creating content, this portable microphone provides a professional-grade solution for achieving clear and engaging sound, offering a dynamic range of options to suit your recording needs. Tactical Flashlight. This is a versatile and practical tool for various outdoor activities. With its 90-degree design, this mini flashlight offers convenience and flexibility. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures durability and reliability, even in challenging weather conditions. Equipped with 4 different modes, including the impressive high lumens mode, it proves to be an ideal companion for camping, outdoor adventures, and hiking expeditions. The added magnetic feature allows it to easily attach to metal surfaces, adding to its functionality. Lidsto C1. The Lidsto C1 cordless portable carpet cleaner stands as a versatile solution for tackling tough messes with utmost efficiency. Armed with a powerful 6,000 PA suction, it takes on challenges like mud, wine spills, and pet messes with ease, leaving your carpets looking refreshed. Its high-speed rotating brush, equipped with a self-propelled structure, amplifies the cleaning prowess, ensuring that even deeply embedded dirt is lifted away. What sets this cleaner apart is its unique ability to engage in deep cleaning by simultaneously recycling stains and moisture. Smart S2 Gimbal. The Smart S2 Gimbal Stabilizer is a cutting-edge tool designed to elevate your smartphone videography to professional levels. Engineered for the demands of the industry, this 3-axis phone gimbal ensures steady and smooth footage, transforming your vlogs, TikTok videos, and YouTube content into polished productions. The package includes an extendable rod, a microphone, and a fill light, making it a comprehensive solution for capturing high-quality content on both iPhones and Android devices. Ridge Wallet. This minimalist slim wallet for men offers a sleek and practical solution for everyday carrying needs. With RFID blocking technology, it ensures the security of your credit cards while fitting comfortably in your front pocket. Crafted from durable aluminum metal, this small men's wallet also features a convenient money clip. Its minimalist design strikes a balance between style and functionality, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a compact and efficient wallet that meets modern demands. LED Neck Reading Light. The Glaucocent LED Neck Reading light is a game-changer for book enthusiasts and individuals who love indulging in their hobbies, even in bed. With its innovative features, this light offers a comfortable reading experience. Equipped with a 30-minute timer, it ensures you won't lose track of time while engrossed in your favorite book or craft. offering 3 adjustable colors and brightness levels. This light can be tailored to your specific preferences, providing the ideal illumination for reading, knitting, or even repairing tasks. Its rechargeable design ensures long-lasting use, making it the perfect companion for extended reading sessions.